वेलकम टू क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरीं आसतलीं, सावध आनी भलायकी. तर आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता आमचे गोंयचे ताल्ल्याचे सुखे. तर हे थोडेच ताल्ले आसा, एक 1500 ताल्ले आसा. 15 ताल्ले बारीक ताल्ले, ताका सुटी करून हांवें दवरला. आतां आमकां कितें जाय? सुके करपाक मसालो. सुके म्हणजे कोडयेचोच मसालो, पण आमी तितून उदक सुबेज घालना. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू हाव टू मेक a thick sardine curry. So what you need, I have taken around these are around 5 Kashmiri chilies, and these are around 5 Goan chilies. Those are spicy a little bit. This much of ginger and this much of garlic, so around 10 flakes of garlic and this much of ginger. So we have to crush this. एका आमी बरे दाडान घेवंक लावंक जाय. Then we need a small bowl of tamarind, half coconut, then half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, and half teaspoon small of cumin powder. Then these are tefal, okay, trifle, tefa in Konkani. So this is called Indian Szechuan, and some 2 chilies that we will add later. Now we'll grind all this, we'll crush this. So now we'll add this and salt, and you mix this all nicely. Now we'll add our masala. We'll add our chilies and we'll cook this for 5 minutes. So no oil, nothing, just cook this for 5 minutes. Check the salt and add accordingly. And our Goan Tarlyache Sukhe is ready. Then we will add some tefal on this. And it's done. So simple and easy. Try and make this. So now this is suke, that's why it is fully dried. But if you want to make gravy out of this, yes, you can make. So the talles are cooked, and I'll cover this for 2 minutes and done. Okay, it's done now, and we will put off our gas. Hope you all will enjoy this. Try this recipe and make it in your kitchen. Thank you. Dev bare karo. It's authentic, traditional Goan Tarlyanche Sukhe. Thank you. Try this recipe. Authentic, traditional Goan Tarlyache Sukhe. If you want, you can add our solla also, Goan Vindichi solla, but I have not used for this. But you can. Thank you so much. Dev bare karo.